Is your video really as productive as it could be? After hundreds of hours editing videos, I finally found these 5 game changer things to speed up your work that 99% of editors don't use. Let's think for a second how yours editing looks like. You open Premiere Pro, you edit for a while and then take a 5 minutes break for scrolling a TikTok, and in reality 5-minute break is a 30 minutes wasted of your important time. So the first hack is discipline. To edit faster, just put your phone away and mute it completely. Close anything that might distract you, and even if you don't want to, just sit down and work for an hour. You'll be so proud of yourself and you will want to edit more just to finish this work. When I heard the second tip for the first time, I couldn't believe how much time I'm wasting. I made 15 seconds of animation in 20 minutes and boom, instantly rewatching the whole video. Why? Nobody knows. So the second tip is to stop rewatching your work so often, cause you're only wasting your time. Really, scrolling 30 seconds back to see your progress you made in your video is enough. You don't need to watch an entire video once again because you co-graded 5 seconds of clip. Third hack is absolutely the biggest game changer as the fourth one, so wait for it. You've probably seen a lot of videos on TikTok or YouTube where people literally speedrunning cutting down video in Premiere Pro. They do this thanks to keyboard shortcuts. You can set in the program, just click edit and then keyboard shortcuts. Now you can make your own keyboard layout preset to save the whole settings or make it completely new. To set the cabin, just search for each command you want to make a shortcut for and boom, it's done. As I said before, this step can save your time forever. Tell me now what grabs your attention on the screen. Subtitles, of course. And to be honest, if I had to do it on my own, I would post video once a month. So to generate text automatically, go into vid.io, create a new project, drop your audio file and generate captions. Remember to check if the subtitles were generated right. After this, change settings to make a better look. At the end, add a green background to be able to add these subtitles in Premiere Pro. Now let's think together. If we import subtitles to Premiere Pro like I said before, we need to delete the green screen. To do that, you need to search for Ultra key, select a good tool and click on the background. Assuming with that we need 10 such files for one film, we have to repeat this operation 10 times, only slowing down the editing process. So to avoid this mistake that 99% of people do, just go to Effects Controls, click with the right mouse button on your effect or multiple effects and choose the option Save as a preset. Now you can name it however you want, and finally you can drop the ready preset to your file or audio and whole effects will be automatically applied.